We're glad to welcome you. We the startup Beeptec Engineering, Israel. Development without code. Tooling platform for developers of intelligent devices of automation, robotics, and intelligent devices. Today, developers in the field of automation, robotics and smart devices are forced to solve a complex of routine tasks, such as programming and adapting embedded software solutions to the target computers. The cost terms, as well as the final result of such developments, largely depend on the level of the programmers. Knowledge of programming languages. Presence in the group of algorithmists. Test-bent developers. Co-testers. Equipment design and developers engineers. Product management from development to production. We have developed no-code solution, a tooling platform for developers of intelligent devices of automation, robotics, and intelligent devices. What it means. An integrator developer can create automation processes without using programming languages by entering simple and intuitive instructions for external equipment control. Since the completion of the development of the final version of the platform in December 2019, revenue from using the platform in development for several clients amounted to $80,000. We made an offer to several companies that were actively hiring developers at the time of contact. In the process of negotiations with the specialists of these companies, we demonstrated their algorithms in action, which became a convincing argument in favor of our proposal. As it turned out, such tactics and platform capabilities have a positive effect on clients at the decision-making stage in the negotiation processes. In the next 3 months, we plan to organize an online distribution of the platform in higher educational institutions in Israel for testing and popularization. We are also negotiating with manufacturers of single-board industrial computers who are interested in turnkey solutions for their customers. We run open advertising campaigns among the target audience of our potential clients and consider strategic counter-offers. Toolkit properties. Windows or Linux operating system. Ease of installation. An intuitive and easy-to-learn graphical interface for developing control specifications. Prototyping of automatic procedures with and without connecting external hardware devices. Minimum requirements for hardware resources, use of desktops, tablets, single-board mini-computers. Automation using IoT technologies. Functions of multi-channel collection and transmission of telemetric data in real time over the network. Graphical interfaces of end users for the purpose of control and management. Corporate developments. Simple adaptation to peripheral devices, widespread, inexpensive sensors and device drivers. Coverage of automation categories. Remote control through a special interface. RPA software. Implementation of predictable repetitive procedures combined into one scenario when all automation actions are clearly repeated and rigidly recorded. The entire scenario is executed in real time excluding external factors. RPA, adaptive. The presence of a sensor part in the system, whereby automation works with external factors in mind. According to forecasts of the research organization IDE, by 2024 the market for no-code software solutions for industrial robotics will exceed 65% of the rest methods. It will amount to $210 billion and will grow steadily as the cost of developments in the field of automation and robotics decreases. We are not the only player in the field of tool platform developers in this young field. Each of these platforms has certain advantages and disadvantages. Binding to expensive external devices of specific manufacturers, some platforms are designed for a certain level of developer experience in setting up and adapting operating systems and knowledge of programming languages. Also, many platforms require developers to study them in advance with attending courses. Some platforms are distributed free of charge and provide customers with open source code. There is a certain set of tools for developing a narrow field, for example, unmanned navigation, systems with machine learning functions, smart vision. There are also instrumental platforms for research and experimental tasks, teaching, for amateurs, students and schoolchildren. The core of the startup is our professional team, which was assembled in December 2017 by multidisciplinary engineer Alexander Kapitulski. Our main team principles are professionalism, usefulness, simplicity, and trust.